Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Maya. It's a superb day to be a Panther.
A special announcement from Miss Rock. Auditions for the spring show Disney's High School Musical will take place this Wednesday, February 2nd in the choir room.
Please join the Google Classroom code displayed on the screen for more information.
Students do not need to prepare anything for this audition. Please see Miss Rock if you have any questions.
Panthers, this week is Spirit Week. Let's all show our school spirit by participating in this week's themes.
Today is Blackout Day, tomorrow is African American Culture Day, Wednesday is Throwback Hip Hop Day, Thursday is HBCU Day, and Friday is Class Color Day.
Freshmen are yellow, juniors are green, sophomores are red, and seniors are black.
Seniors, if you have not met the reading or math graduation requirement, you should register now for the March 9th SAT and April 13th ACT. You can see Ms. Jameer for ACT waivers if you are on free or reduced lunch. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
Those of you taking the February 10th ACT should be practicing daily in order to make the concordant scores needed.
If you missed our FAFSA workshop here at Heritage, Eastern Florida is having help sessions tonight at their Cocoa campus and next Monday, February 12th at their Melbourne campus from 3 to 6 p.m.
Financial aid experts will be there to walk you through both the student application as well as the parent application.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!